Sari kaham jotono ang norok no ani channel taisa lamsoko ang tabuk Delhi High Court se norok ani ulklogo nai tongono onek nai thok oba Delhi High Court tini ang Delhi High Court tambagi faingke chini tiprajak masa bini case oro Delhi High Court khaiman bagai ang hearing ni bagi phaiga o case khaimani onek no interesting case ang norok bai bu share khainai o case o chini masa tiprajak bo yang North Indian chelabai bo hamjaka hamjak pai brok thangjakai tonglaikha thangja tonglaipai man logeo no brok ni bosangkha tabuk berini aro 5 mas cherai besa tongo haifano je chelani bini buma bufa song chini a system no hamjagia tamni ge bo notice ni kabangmano amte allegation domestic violence amte ro khaijak a chelani buma aban pore a buritam khaiganke chelabai burai je bihik besai no hinsidai brok chandigarh thangka tongwina ni bagi aro because oro inke chelani buma bufa song bai problem ni bagai chandigarh onek mas tongkha tongmani pore brok Delhi phaiga Delhi phaimani pore de hotel tongkha hotel tongman pore a chela bini restaurant thana hine bo thangka thangmani pore bihik nongke bo aidrbo no sok paina ni saw kintu aidrbo sok pailia bihik bo je chelani bini brother rok no call khaiga bini dolok no call khaibu maya uloke burai police station thangka police bu complain naya tamningke police rok sawo chelabai burai kaijak ya ni bagai police rok kuno action nai mia a burai tai wisa tai kisa police station thangka aro bu mane kuno accept khaya bini complain abon par tai kisa police station thangka a jaga bu complain kaijak ya haifano burai bo women helpline no call khaye a kaisa women helpline in kaisa borok bini loge rohaka abon pore DCP niaro thangai bini complain naka abon pore a burai ano approach khaibai mani pore ang loge no drafting khaiga pura horpung drafting khai ang kaisa habeas corpus writ petition oro Delhi High Court file khaibani pore khana hearing tongmani haifano ang tini code of phaiye chief justice ni code urgent mentioning khaiga angke chief justice of Delhi High Court allow khaibai mani pore khana ni bodla tini no hearing khairika ang chini sistani bagai double bench code bini matter hearing ongo a hearing o judge saka khana a burini bin bosaino video conference khai court ni boskango tubna ni bagai ang khayo tini ang oneng no proud tam hingke chini tiprasa sistani bagai ang oro delio tongti fano bona help khai manmani bagai tini wansoka chini tiprasa masapano oro delio kering khangke chini sister bo busuk se kosoman kamun bo busuk litigation busuk rang bo khibi kamun ang bagino ang tini onek no feel proud khayo chini tiprasa ni bagai ang kisa kam khai oro high court petition file khai manmani bagai ang khayo khana chini hearing tai kisa tongo judge by sajaka khana no hearing ongnai je chelani bumang ke tai 15 days time reading sawo hearing ni bagai haifono ang oppose khai judge khana no hearing ni bagai rika tiprasa brother sister on kok kazana musugo norok ni case rok amdike tongkhangke norok Delhi wo norok ano saimano ang norok no chubanai as a Tripurani brother ge je ani channel like tore no belaken no hambai norok ani channel no subscribe khaidi tai ani videos bo nai tongni hambai